Hello, I'm David M. Chester, founder of the Chester Law Group, an Ohio personal injury law firm with offices across Ohio. And today we're here to discuss full coverage insurance. Now, many Ohio drivers sleep well at night because they purchased full coverage auto insurance. However, they are usually shocked to realize that full coverage may not be full enough to protect them or compensate them after an auto accident, depending upon who caused the accident. You see, in Ohio, full coverage refers to the minimum auto insurance you have to cover under Ohio law to pay someone else if you cause the accident. It's currently $12,500 liability coverage per person, $25,000 per accident, and $7,500 property damage. This means your auto policy will pay each person you hurt in a car accident up to a maximum of $12,500 and up to a total payment of $25,000 for all the injured people. The policy will also pay up to a maximum of $7,500 to repair or replace the other person's vehicle. But what happens if you injure someone and their injuries cost more than $12,500, or you hurt 5 people, or you damage a new Mercedes? In all these circumstances, your full coverage will not be enough to protect you if you cause the accident. As a result of insufficient insurance, you will have to pay the rest out of your own pocket, your paycheck each month, or even your house. You see, when buying auto insurance, you need to ask yourself, what can I lose if I hurt someone very badly? Especially if you have assets to protect, such as a house, a car, etc. You want to buy auto insurance liability coverage to protect yourself if you accidentally hurt someone very badly. Now, the other question to ask yourself is, what happens if I'm seriously hurt? There's a danger if someone hits you and your auto insurance is too limited. How, you might ask? Well, in these tough financial times, more and more people are driving without auto insurance or the bare minimum policy as discussed earlier. If you are hurt by someone else's carelessness and they have no auto insurance, who will compensate you for your own injuries, medical bills, pain and suffering, lost wages, etc.? Health insurance may help, but this can be limited and does not cover lost wages, pain and suffering, etc. This is why you must purchase uninsured and underinsured motorist coverage. Protect yourself from uninsured and underinsured drivers who hurt you on the road. You should purchase as much policy limits as you can afford, the same policy limits as your liability policy. The only thing worse than seriously hurting someone else and you having insufficient liability coverage is you being seriously hurt by someone else and they have limited liability coverage and you have no uninsured or underinsured motorist coverage. Don't wait till it's too late. Get your auto policy in order today. I've had so many clients who say, I didn't think it could happen to me. It can. Ask yourself, what's the worst case scenario? And buy as much auto insurance as you can afford to protect yourself from this possibility. Otherwise, you're risking your family's financial future every time you drive without even knowing it. Now, for more information on handling your personal injury claim in Ohio, go to chesterlaw.com and request a copy of my free book and video. The free ebook, free video, and indeed the entire website will allow you to gain valuable information. Contact us now